Happening right now at 8 o'clock, coronavirus continues to spread very fast here in Arizona. The state health department reported more than 1,100 cases, new cases just today, and that brings the statewide total to more than 36,000. 1,194 people have died from complications of COVID-19, and right now Arizona hospitals are at about 82% capacity. As Arizona case numbers continue to soar tonight, hospitals are seeing their emergency rooms fill up with sicker COVID patients just about every day. Our Brianna Whitney had a chance to speak with an ER doctor about what he experienced just this past weekend in the ICU and the ER firsthand.
We've talked to Dr. Frank Lavecchio throughout this entire pandemic. He works at both Banner and Valleywise hospitals, treating COVID patients every day. And on Friday, he texted me, things are getting worse. So today, I asked him to describe what he's witnessing as Arizona COVID numbers grow more concerning by the day. Did you see people die from this weekend?
Yes, there's been a few deaths that I know of that have happened this weekend.
Behind the Arizona statistics making national headlines are the families suffering. Dr. Frank Lavecchio is watching his patients with COVID-19 declining faster than ever, like an older man he cared for this weekend.
He asked if he could make a call in the hospital, and it was very tragic to hear him say goodbye to all his godchildren and his kids that, you could really tell, loved him.
Just over the last 2 days, state data shows the number of Arizona COVID patients on ventilators, in the ICU, in the ER, and inpatient have been the highest they've ever been. And according to data from Domo Data Solutions, Maricopa County is leading the entire country in new cases compared to 7 days prior.
There's a lot of counties in our country that are much bigger than us, and we're leading the pack. Over the last 2 weeks, though, we've increased our testing by about 50%. And unfortunately, our positive rate has increased by 82%.
Dr. Lavecchio says while he hasn't seen somebody test positive again for COVID, he's now seeing patients who had the disease coming back to the hospital with complications.
Most likely, there's going to be some permanent damage depending on how sick you were. And we are starting to see suggestions of that.
And Representative Greg Stanton's tweet now going viral saying per capita, Arizona's infection rate is now over 3 times higher than New York State. Reporting in Phoenix tonight, Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.